she's a plus size model, and she says that she's losing modeling jobs because of the whole Kardashian world that she is associated with. I mean, I don't know what to say, except I wish that he'd move on too. Talk to your brother.
Bye. 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 Bye.
All right, so Miley Cyrus.